to my channel. So good to see you. So good to hang out with you, and I'm so glad you tuned in today. So today we're talking all about glycation, and I feel like this is a skincare term that you kind of heard about, but you might not be fully aware of what it is. But it is a huge contributor to aging, to the formation of wrinkles, to the breakdown of your collagen, and premature aging in general. So glycation is such an important topic. I'm going to share with you guys exactly what it is, how to avoid it, and then also how to reverse the damage that's already been done by it. So let's just dive on in, you guys. Okay, so you probably already know this. If you are into skincare enough, you know already that, UV damage, stress, sugar, a diet high in sugar is really not good for your skin. But the thing is, all of those have a contributing factor to what is called glycation in the body. So what is glycation? Glycation is a natural occurring chemical reaction in the body in which a sugar fructose molecule attaches itself to proteins, healthy lipids, all throughout the body, including your skin. And that results in the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which you might have heard of. So when this damaging molecule attaches itself to healthy proteins, healthy lipids, it stops the healthy function with those proteins and lipids in the skin. And guess what are healthy proteins within your skin? Collagen. So these damaging sugar molecules bind themselves to healthy collagen, healthy elastin, and break it down. And that's obviously going to cause a breakdown in the support structure of your skin. When you have healthy collagen, your skin is held up, it's plump, it's got like a structure to it. It's bouncy. When you have a breakdown in the collagen and elastin, due to glycation, what that's going to do is it's going to really take down that support system. You're going to notice a collapse in the collagen and elastin in your skin. Your skin is not going to have that bounce. It's not going to have that elasticity to it. So what really causes glycation to occur? Because there are many different factors that cause glycation within the body, within the skin. So what those are, they're going to be diets high in sugar. Stress is a big factor. If you are constantly under stress, that is causing glycation. Also, oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is caused by UV exposure, pollution, free radicals, and then also unhealthy lifestyle habits are going to contribute to faster glycation within the body, within the skin. So exactly what kind of damage does glycation do to the skin? One of them is wrinkles. You are going to get wrinkles a lot faster if you are constantly putting yourself in this process of glycation. Wrinkles form because there is a loss of collagen and elastin in the skin. So like I said, when those damaging molecules are binding themselves to healthy collagen and breaking it down, you're going to get a loss of elasticity within your skin and you're going to get wrinkles. Another thing that glycation impairs, which a lot of people I feel like don't know, it's a healthy skin barrier. Glycation impairs your skin barrier because, again, those damaging molecules are attaching themselves to healthy lipids in the skin. And healthy lipids are what your skin barrier needs to stay intact and to stay healthy. If you have a damaged skin barrier, your skin barrier cannot retain its own moisture. Your skin barrier is going to be susceptible to letting irritants into your skin, which is going to damage your skin barrier further and cause more skin issues. A healthy skin barrier is so key, and glycation breaks down your skin barrier. And then the third thing that glycation does to your skin is it actually causes more inflammation. Inflammation equals faster aging of your skin. Glycation has actually been shown to activate the inflammation pathways in your skin. You want to do everything to knock out inflammation in your skin, and glycation just causes further inflammation. So let's talk about how to reverse the glycation damage. Let's talk about how to really ward off the glycation damage that is occurring to us every single day. What you need to be doing every day is wearing your SPF and antioxidants, vitamin C, other antioxidants. It is a must every single day. You also really need to focus on a diet that is lower in sugar. If you're eating sugar all day and you're eating crappy fast food and just not eating healthy in general, that is going to really cause the glycation process to ramp itself up. You want a diet low in sugar, and you want a healthy, clean diet, honestly. You also want to lower stress as much as you can. And this is a big one for me. This is a big one probably for a lot of you. I am constantly under stress, and that is something that I know is so damaging for the body. So I'm going to share with you 2 things that I take internally that really, really help the stress, the oxidative stress as well, because as I've mentioned, oxidative stress is a killer. It causes disease, it causes premature aging, it causes all the damage to your skin. You want to knock out oxidative stress. Here's the 2 things that I take internally, because remember, it is not just what you put on your skin topically. It is really, really everything you feed your body, the supplements you take, everything. And supplements, as you guys know, I'm a huge supplement girl because we don't get everything, nutrients from our food that we used to a long time ago. We have to supplement. We have to create internal balance within our body through supplements, because we're not going to be able to do it just by eating clean. I can tell you that. These are the 2 things that I take to really knock out stress and oxidative stress. Symbiotica, the adrenal super tonic, I swear by. If you have anxiety, if you have stress, oh my gosh, you just will feel such relief. And there's no other words to describe. It really just puts this like calming ease within your body. It just does something within your adrenals, which is what causes and like ramps up stress throughout your body. It just calms everything, and you will feel a difference. So I love this adrenal stress relief because it really does help to just calm the body. And when you can reduce that stress within your body, you're going to save yourself so much aging and premature aging and wrinkles and all of that. And then also the Symbiotica, the molecular hydrogen. I've talked about this so much. This is a game changer in knocking out oxidative stress. Like I said, oxidative stress is the root of all evil within your body. This is amazing. So it's just this little tiny tab. You throw it in water and has no flavor. It just kind of bubbles in your water, and you drink it, and it knocks out. It's been proven, clinically studied and proven to knock out oxidative stress within the body. And the Symbiotica one is just a game changer. You actually feel a difference. And I cannot even tell you guys how many messages I've gotten from people taking this that are like, wow, like it just creates this like sense within your body. I take this first thing in the morning, like I always take my water. I do about 10 ounces of water. I put this in, and then I drink the entire 10 ounces of water right away. Like you're supposed to take this, like spike it basically. It's not something you sip throughout the day. Your body needs to spike it. And I take it and I feel energized. I just feel awake. I feel good. It is amazing. Say goodbye to oxidative stress. This is key. So that is a must. Now let's talk about topical, because I always pair everything internal with the most effective topical. Okay, let's talk about this one first. This is the Illumiere MD, the Illuminance AGE. This is amazing. I have been loving this. Such an amazing brand. This knocks out glycation from pollution, from free radicals. It has this unique anti-glycation technology to it, and then also has this like anti-pollution shield where when you apply it, the pollution within the air cannot attack your skin, and the free radicals can't adhere within your skin cells, and it's absolutely amazing. It comes out in the most beautiful, lightweight, but yet like hydrating serum that just blends right into your skin. It's so amazing. It gives your skin this bounce and this glow to it instantly, and you will see a difference when you use this. You know, I'm all about formulation, and this formulation is amazing. And when I'm using this one, I actually will use it during the day. I don't use my growth factor serum. I will use this first, and I absolutely love it. It layers amazing with all the rest of your skincare products, and you are getting a full protection from all the damaging things that cause glycation, while at the same time it's reversing, you know, the glycation damage that's already been kind of stirring up within your body and your skin. So I love this one. And then let's talk about SkinCeuticals, because SkinCeuticals has pretty much been like the master of anti-glycation. They have so much science and clinical studies, and this is something that SkinCeuticals has really prided itself on, is anti-glycation. And they have it down to a T, because I've been using their products for a while. and they truly make a difference. I'm gonna talk about the eye cream first because if you know me, if you know my channel, I have used this eye cream now for probably, oh my gosh, 10 years. The SkinCeuticals AGE Eye Complex, so AGE, those are your advanced glycation end products. This will help to firm up your under eyes, firm up your eyelids, because you can use this all around your eyes. So firming. What this does is it takes away crepey skin. So crepey skin is the result of glycation. This firms up, takes away crepey skin, erases lines and wrinkles, brightens up any dark circles, and it comes in this really nice, hydrating, balmy consistency, which I personally love. Like, I love a good balmy eye cream. It's beautiful under makeup. You can wear this during the day, you can wear it at night, and it is amazing. But again, anti-glycation to the max. So good, because the under eye, as you guys know, is so prone to aging even faster than the rest of the skin on your face. So glycation is a huge issue for a lot of us around the eyes, crepiness around the eyes. Key. And then we have the new AGE Interrupter Advanced. This is brand new to SkinCeuticals. They had the AGE Interrupter, but they just reformulated and made an advanced version, which has even newer technology, and this has been in the works for years. Like I said, SkinCeuticals is always studying and always really coming out with the best anti-glycation technology. And that is exactly what they did with this new advanced formula. So this is a more of a moisturizing consistency. I personally use this at night because it is like a moisturizer. And then I will put my other, like serums on and then end it with this. This has been proven to take down wrinkles in the forehead. I have all the actual numbers are on skintruth.com because they actually have clinical studies to show how much wrinkles were reduced in different areas. And it's shocking, but it's been proven to really fade wrinkles of the forehead, wrinkles of the nasolabial, wrinkles of the marionette lines, complete just little lines and wrinkles all over the face, and to really help crepey skin and kind of firm up the skin, because again, loss of elasticity is a huge result of glycation. So the new SkinCeuticals AGE Interrupter Advance has been proven so effective in all of that reversing of glycation damage. Wrinkles will be reduced. Crepiness will be reduced. It is amazing. Like, this has insane clinicals behind it, you guys. So good. So like I said, because this is a more moisturizer type of product, I use this at night. Okay, last but not least, we have the Revision, the DEJ Daily Boosting Serum. I've talked about this many times too. This has a new technology as well. This actually uses a sunflower sprout extract that has been proven and clinically studied again for the past 5 years. They've been working on this to, again, knock out that glycation, and it's super anti-glycation. This product again helps to really reinforce the skin structure. So, like I said, glycation knocks out that skin structure because you're breaking down healthy collagen, you're breaking down the elastin within your skin. This supports healthy collagen, healthy elastin, and it helps support that healthy skin structure so your skin stays firm and keeps that bounce to it. So this is another really great option. Again, this one comes out in a nice serum form as well. This one's even more kind of thin, more liquidy than even the Illumiere, but these two are both serums, both amazing. You will get a glow. Absolutely love these so much, you guys. All of those truly give you really great results. Anti-glycation, also preventing glycation, because that is the key too. Not only do you want to be reversing the damage, but you really want to be really protecting your skin from the external glycation effects. So I love those, all of those. And again, topical and internal is where it's at, you guys. I always do both. I am never just topical. I am never just internal. It is key to be using the best of both worlds, and that's how you're going to get your best skin and plus your best health too, which I'm all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just a little bit of, a deeper look into glycation, what it is, how to reverse it, how to keep it away, all of those things. I will link the products that I mentioned down below in the description box. I will also pin a comment where I have all the links there too. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.